back to Roké TV. Welcome. If you are new here, do not forget to go ahead and give this video a giant thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you like what you see, of course, go ahead and share it with a friend, and again, don't forget to subscribe, like dough. Anyways, getting it once again outdoor, bringing you some nice, tasty outdoor cooking Jamaican style here in Jamaica. So just stay tuned, enjoy the vibe. If this is your first time here, stop this video right now and go back and check out our previous videos as well. Ro and I do have separate channels, so make sure that you go ahead and check those out as well. All the links are in the description box. So let's go ahead and go over to Ro and see what is on the pot. As you can tell, it is hot as hell out here. I don't know if you can tell based on the sweat content on my forehead. It is pretty hot. It's pretty hot. So yeah, luckily we'll buy some water, so that's always good. But I can barely open my eyes. The sun is so bright. Not that we're complaining. So beautiful, but bright nevertheless. But let's see what we got going on here with Ro.
Hello guys, it's Ro.
Hello guys, it's Ro. That's all you got? Alright guys, so Ro,
that's not all my got. Yeah. So guys, we'll cook curry, chicken neck and dumpling by the beach. And the fire kinda give me some trouble. Yes. I feel I bend my back and I get it up and stuff, but nevertheless we're alright out here and enjoying myself. Nice day. What? Yeah, so just big up, enjoy yourself. If you have wood fire, it's the same thing. If you have dry wood, this is how you catch it. You don't need no gas. You don't need no gas to catch fire. You don't need no gas oil. Just be careful. Natural skills. Using what you have out of nature. And I look like some up.
this guy's maca is very dry.
Look how much just touch.
Oh, what that? Oh.
So then people in a Discord, they think properly.
Guys, you not even want to see that.
Look at that, it's stinking paper. Come over here, come.
Easy. Alright guys, so now that the water is boiling, we can start kneading the flour. Alright y'all, see the flour, yeah? Bye. Bowl. Pour. Will you use all that flour, yeah? Use all that? Alright. Alright. Alright guys, this is what we got working with. Add some water, little by little. Take your time. See it here? So this is how the American girl needs flour. Because apparently this is not the Jamaican style. So
Say it go man, just to get time.
I get little spillage. Added more water guys. You wonder why me I move, so it's because I don't want to really waste it flour, but someone gonna get waste regardless.
Yeah, but you don't have to rush. I'm not rushing.
Alright guys, so we're making way. See the dough getting a little firm now. Alright guys, this is what your dough should be looking like when you're done. It should be like the consistency of it. And it should automatically take off all the dough that was on your hand before. That's how you know it's ready. It'll just pull off everything off your hand. Because if you notice before, my hand was covered and it take up most of the residue when I boiled it. So yeah, I'm gonna knead them and jump them in the water as soon as they get hot. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so water boil up. Boiling up so we soon can dump in the dumpling them.
Very soon.
While we are wait, watch roll. While we're waiting, can show you some views. Some boat that come. Let me see. So one boat there. It look like one cargo boat or something. It's a ship, guys. I try to show you. I really can't see that good on camera, but it's a pretty big boat. I have my next one behind it. Yeah. I know where them are go still. So the beach is right behind me. Right behind me. Nice, nice. So nice water. Everything. Yeah, guys. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah. It's a vibe. Roast a vibe. Yeah.
It's a vibe, guys.
I can't barely. You can't want me here, good.
No, it's not, man. Wicked over here.
But I tell them say it's hot and very bright.
Very bright and
Yeah. Hot. Okay, we have the cool water behind me. Just in case I want to choke off. It's a vibe, y'all. Yeah, it's a vibe. Guys, so the pot has come to a perfect boil, so we're about to start throwing in the dumplings. Spinos. Voila. Guys, he's over here talking junk, talking bull crap. Oh boy. Hey guys, just chilling out, cooling out.
that's your jokes, you know. Okay, then I like we look at them.
They're not so funny. Hold on, Simma. Hold on, please. Be cool, no, Timmer. I want to go in the water, you know, I really do, but the difference is, yes, the difference is that it's the sea. Yes, that is true. But the difference is river water is just clean, fresh water. The ocean water, no, it's not clean, but it's salty. And then you got extra work to do. You know, you could just literally bathe off in the river. The ocean, not so much. So, really contemplating here. Comment below if you think I should get into the water. Obviously, it'll be too late by then, but let me know what you would do. Would you go or not? Beach water or not? And comment below, what do you like? You like the river better or you like the sea better? Especially if you're from Jamaica or happen to Jamaican river. What do you like better? River or sea? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, so let's spin up the dumplings them now. Make sure you stir your dumpling them so they don't stick.
Yeah, and soon done boil, man.
So the thing that we love about dumpling is that number one, they're delicious, and two, you see how quick them cook, guys? They're almost done. So yeah, just a few more minutes or so. Alright guys, so decided I'm gonna take a little dip. So wash my hands too. These are what the dumplings are looking like once they are finished. They're at the top of the pot. So that's how you know so I'm done. I'm gonna float to the top now. Alright guys, so re-upping on the coal. Now that the dumpling is off the pot. Most of the coal burned down, so we're just reloading so we can start the chicken now, the chicken neck now. I wonder if for some reason don't want to be cracked. A stubborn piece of coal. Hey guys, we never did a film just now, but it's just pouring all of the oil in the pot. Alright guys, so this is number one curry. If you're not using better pack, I don't know what you're doing. So we're gonna burn some curry right now. Curry now, come on, that's all guys, for whatever reason. Guys, so we're gonna be dumping in the chicken necks now, pre-seasoned. I'll list everything on the screen so you guys will know exactly what it was pre-seasoned with. So it's a one neck. Yeah, pot ready. Alright guys, so the curry chicken neck is cooking down now. Soon as the rest of the seasoning them. Alright guys, so the rest of the seasoning them in here. Reason why we don't put this in yet is because it have Irish in there, so potatoes in there, so we don't want them to get overcooked. So this soon go in there as soon as everything else simmer down. Just flipped over the curry chicken neck. If you notice, it have a little golden brown color, so that's what you should be looking for when you are flipping them. You see, not burnt but golden, so that's what we're working with so far. Soon. Guys, just tasted some of the gravy. Coming along great. So I'm about to throw in the rest of the stuff that I was just showing you right now. Alright guys, there it is. It's going in. Now we're ready for the potato and the thyme and the rest of the seasoning them to make the gravy. So potatoes, all the blended up seasonings that were in there that went in the pot with the necks, and now this is the rest of it that we're gonna cook down. It's looking really good, smelling even better. What's crazy is Ro asked me if there was more necks in there, and we both squeezed the bag. So cool. So we're gonna go ahead and cover it down now. Yeah. So the answer take over, guys. They soon come up and come. I'm not sorry for them. They must feel eat, you know. You see them and scatter. Alright, guys. So here's what we got. Nice, thick, rich curry now. The necks are done. Cooked down, tender, everything. Smelling nice. Alright, guys. Finished look, finished product. So now we're ready for share. And then yum. Not eating nothing too crazy. Just a little lunch for now. So a big eating area now going right now. So test out the thing I make wanna know what I'm going. Like curry neck, no! Curry neck. Guys, forget curry chicken. Nothing sweeter than curry neck, you know? Nothing. Except for maybe turkey neck. But chicken neck is so good, guys. Comment down below, let us know if you would try chicken neck. See it here? Alright, guys.
So as I told you guys, we just have to eat a little bit when I eat.
First bite.
Mad.
That one, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, neck of one.
Up.
Up, and it ain't even a Tuesday. So good, guys. Right. My most simplest meal. Well, I don't know what's simple with the neck, let me know. Like, you have to have some patience with the necks because the neck them take a while to cook. I just have to make them simmer down good to get them nice and tender. So, but so good.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so I'm done for now. Like me say, let me know if you guys would eat curry chicken neck and dumpling at this meal, and let us know what you think. Have you had it before? Would you ever try it? Let us know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to also check out our other channels down below as well. I'm peacing out for now. Until next time, see you guys in the next one. Bye.